top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Stronger, healthier muscles. Tired of waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps or struggling with muscle stiffness that makes moving around a challenge? Well, you're not alone. For many seniors, muscle cramps are a common and frustrating issue. But here's the good news. The right foods can help relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop cramps before they start. In this article, we'll reveal the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and maintain better mobility.
So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to reduce muscle cramps and improve your overall muscle health, keep reading because we have some life-changing nutrition tips coming your way. Before we dive in, let us know where you're joining us from today. Feel free to drop a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest health-boosting tips from Health 365. Number 1. Eggs, a powerhouse of muscle health. When it comes to muscle health, eggs are an absolute powerhouse. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but they also contain essential vitamins and minerals that promote muscle strength and help prevent cramps. But how exactly do eggs help with leg cramps in older adults? Protein, a must for muscle maintenance. Muscle fatigue is one of the leading causes of cramps, and protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair and maintenance. As we age, we experience sarcopenia, a gradual loss of muscle mass, which can make seniors more susceptible to cramps and weakness. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body can't produce on its own. Just one large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein. This helps to rebuild muscle fibers, reduce muscle fatigue, and enhance muscle contraction efficiency, which ultimately reduces the frequency of cramps. Vitamin D, support for calcium absorption. Vitamin D is another key nutrient found in eggs that plays a vital role in muscle function. It helps the body absorb calcium, which is necessary for proper muscle contraction. Research shows that seniors with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Egg yolks are naturally rich in vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle health. Many older adults spend less time outdoors, which can make it harder to produce vitamin D naturally from sunlight. Including eggs in the diet helps seniors maintain optimal vitamin D levels, which can reduce the risk of cramps. B12, protecting nerve health. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function. Low B12 levels can impair nerve signals, leading to muscle spasms, tingling, and cramps. Eggs are an excellent source of B12 along with choline, which work together to support nerve insulation and improve communication between muscles and nerves. This reduces the risk of neuropathy-related cramps, which are common in seniors, especially those with diabetes. How many eggs should seniors eat? Seniors should aim to eat 6 to 7 eggs per week. This is generally safe for most people and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels, even in healthy seniors. However, if you have heart conditions or high cholesterol, it's a good idea to consult a doctor or opt for egg whites instead of whole eggs. By including eggs regularly in their diet, seniors can benefit from muscle repair, nerve health, and stronger, cramp-free muscles. Number 2. Bananas. Potassium for muscle contractions. When it comes to preventing muscle cramps, potassium is a superstar mineral. Potassium plays a crucial role in muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels are too low, muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. That's where bananas come in. Potassium, the muscle relaxer. A medium banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, which is 12% of the recommended daily intake. By maintaining proper potassium levels, bananas help regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms. They also ensure smooth nerve communication for muscle control and balance, and reduce dehydration-related cramps. Magnesium, another key mineral. In addition to potassium, bananas are also a good source of magnesium. Magnesium helps relax muscles and nerves, preventing sudden cramps and supporting energy production for muscle contractions. A banana contains about 32 milligrams of magnesium, contributing to muscle relaxation and recovery. Vitamin B6, Supporting nerve function. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which plays a key role in nervous system health. B6 helps regulate neurotransmitters, which control muscle movements and reduce inflammation. Low B6 levels can lead to increased muscle cramping and spasms. By consuming bananas, seniors can support nerve health and muscle recovery, ensuring fewer cramps and smoother muscle function. How many bananas should seniors eat? To prevent leg cramps, seniors should aim to eat 1 banana per day. If you experience frequent muscle cramps, 2 bananas per day may provide additional benefits. However, seniors with diabetes should be cautious of their banana intake due to the fruit's natural sugars. Pairing bananas with fiber-rich foods like whole grains and nuts can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nutrient-rich muscle support. Nuts and seeds often get overlooked in muscle health discussions, but they pack a punch when it comes to preventing cramps. Rich in magnesium, potassium, protein, healthy fats, and fiber, nuts and seeds are excellent additions to the diet for keeping muscles relaxed, improving circulation, and maintaining electrolyte balance. Magnesium and potassium, restoring electrolytes. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, which can lead to frequent and painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources of magnesium. For example, a 1-ounce serving of pumpkin seeds provides 168 milligrams of magnesium, while almonds offer 77 milligrams and cashews provide 74 milligrams. Regularly eating nuts can help restore magnesium levels, reduce muscle tightness, and prevent cramps. Nuts and seeds are also a great source of potassium. Pistachios, for example, contain 390 milligrams of potassium per ounce, while almonds provide 200 milligrams. Replenishing lost electrolytes, especially after physical activity or excessive sweating, is essential for muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Healthy fats and protein for muscle repair. Nuts and seeds are also high in healthy fats, which help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds, for instance, reduce muscle inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews support blood flow to muscles, reducing cramp risk. Additionally, the protein content in nuts aids in muscle repair. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Chronic inflammation can damage muscle tissue, making seniors more prone to cramps. Nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help lower inflammation, protect muscles, and speed up recovery. Walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds in particular offer natural anti-inflammatory benefits that help with muscle health. How many nuts and seeds should seniors eat? Since nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, moderation is key. A small handful, around 1 ounce, that's about 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds, is enough to reap the muscle health benefits. Nuts and seeds can be eaten throughout the day, added to meals or snacks, or consumed before bed to support overnight muscle relaxation and recovery. Final thoughts. Muscle cramps can be a major issue for seniors, but with the right foods, they don't have to be a constant source of discomfort. Eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds are 3 of the best dietary additions for preventing leg cramps, improving muscle health, and enhancing mobility. Stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet, and enjoy these muscle-boosting foods to keep your muscles strong, healthy, and cramp-free. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.